Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the edges with better precision on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner. Now you can find the corners and edges focus. Now you can enable mop swing and side brush swing. That means that next to edges and corners, one of the mop pads and the side brush will retract to the right side so they can clean the edges and the corners better. You can also set it to perform it on every cleanup task or to perform it once every 7 days. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.